So our next stop is going to be Nassau in the Bahamas. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Where are we going? We're in our final stop of the cruise, day 6. Tomorrow we're back in Miami, and our next stop is Nassau. To the Bahamas. Over there in the distance is the very famous Hotel Atlantis that you guys may have or may have not heard of, but it's like one of the most famous hotels. I would say it's very well known in the world. I don't know if it's because I'm from Florida, but it has like a full like sea aquarium and water park and all kinds of activities and things like that inside there. There's our ship and we're going right now into the Bahamas. And I don't know why, but you can see this wind. It is so windy here, actually in all the islands we've been to. It's like crazy windy. I think it's because it's an island. Make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. Braiding, that's very Bahamian. Shopping, some good vibes here, good music. What do you think of more? A lot of flavor, exactly. That's what I like to hear. So many colors. Here's the Bahamian food. We were told by the tourism area that there's a lot of local foods right here if you want to come try conch fritters and things like that. Typical Bahamian food from the Bahamas. Souvenir shopping right outside the cruise port. And we're gonna go into the city. Found a cigar place. More than me, that's our new thing. Cigars. These are all Cuban cigars, but they also have Bahamian cigars too. There's some big ones in here though. Look at those. The size is huge. Oh, look at that. My cigar lovers. Look at this. The size of that thing. Jesus. Look, Pirate Republic, Fat Tuesday, they have like a lot of pirates. Fat Tuesday, that's a famous place. We have one in South Beach too. Conch fritters.
Come on up, guys. We're having food. Where to put upstairs?
Oh, Cinnabon.
Yeah.
Hi, sexy girl. You doing the shopping?
Oh, thank you. So we were told to come here to the straw market for souvenirs, handmade local souvenirs. You can see you just walk in and they have all the different things, purses and different souvenirs. It's just a place for souvenirs, but I guess it's the carver's area. They take this wood and they're carving different things. This whole boardwalk is filled with different carved works of art. They have a second Fat Tuesdays over here. Oh, it's more big bar. This one looks a little better. Swinging chairs. Lots of pirate places. I also see a Senor Frogs. Souvenir. Bars. Look at the water. Another Senor Frogs. Senor Frogs Swingers Club. Interesting. This is a coconut flavored rum cake. This is a typical like cake of the Bahamas, right? What flavor?
It's coconut also.
That's coconut also? There's real rum inside of this, right?
Yes, it is.
So it's just like a cake with rum. But it's delicious. This is a chocolate one. Better? It's probably hard for you. It's alcohol. I like it. So
This is rum?
Yeah, it's 130 proof, 65% alcohol.
wow, it's really strong. I think that's why you're like, he's
Can
in
I try
shock.
the rum too?
For your age, coconut, vanilla. You're gonna get drunk and it's not even 1 o'clock. Let me see it. So this is 4 years age. Yeah, they're known for rum here. 130 proof, 65% alcohol. Ooh,
Oh, that's really good.
it's good. See, that's more his style. I like the cakes. I'm gonna eat his. It's really